Good morning, YouTube. And here's the after. Landscape renovation, cleanup, mulch, and side repair. We repaired the side in a lot of different areas. This was the largest area in the front that was repaired. Got a little bit of a glare in this shot. This area was all bare, so we covered it with pine straw. Looks like the ducks like it. Ducks and geese, they hang out in this area. This is a natural lake over here. Apparently some good fishing. A lot of this area is stamped down because of the ducks. Duck feet. 8 pallets of sod later. Got all of the major areas resodded. Oh, also we added a tree. Installed a bottle brush. Very large property here in Jacksonville. And everything's been fertilized. Alright, all done. Thank you for checking out this video. Here's another little spot we replaced. Now these areas, some of these areas are going to have challenges due to some overwatering from the neighbor. The neighbor sprinkler is hitting an area and their sprinkler is hitting an area, so it's getting hit twice. And too much water will make it develop fungus. Okay, stay tuned for the next before and after landscape video. Subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at Florida Pro Lawn Care. Until the next time, peace.